Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki C1803 and I'm back with another video. It's been probably some months since I recorded a video, but I just been, living the blissful life of having a boyfriend. But as you can see, I'm back. So as always, if you are used to watching me on this channel, hi, I'm so sorry, but I'm back. And if you're new to this channel, thanks so much. I've been doing YouTube for a few years now, and it's been hard, not gonna lie. But I'm up to 50 subscribers, and I'm growing every day. So to those of you who have subscribed already, thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. And as always, those of you who have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click the button. It's like a red button. It's free. Don't cost you nothing. You know what I'm saying? So as always, subscribe to my channel, like and comment under this video if you appreciate videos like this. This is probably the only fall craft video that I'm going to do. And then I'm going to start my Christmas stuff. This is my first year having a boyfriend and it's Christmas time. So he's going to be on a lot of my videos and he's going to help me, decorate and all of that good stuff. And I kind of want to get his input. And if I don't like it, I'm just going to shoot it down. But no, I'm joking. I do want to get his input just to see what he says and, where his brain is at when it comes to decorating and things of that nature. So if you ready to see what I make, keep watching. Okay, so I'm here. Got my paint brushes, and all of the things that I'm going to make. I saw some crafts on Facebook that I really enjoyed, and so I'm gonna try to make those my own interpretation, you know what I'm saying? And if you're ready, let's go. And instead of me talking to you guys, I'm just going to probably do a voiceover. So I'm gonna let the music play. You enjoy watching what I'm doing, and voiceover Nikki is about to talk to you right now.
Your voice, it echoes in my mind. 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 echoes in my mind. Your voice, it echoes in my mind. Voice, it echoes in my mind. Your voice, it echoes in my mind. Your voice, it echoes in my mind. voice, it echoes in my mind. Your 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 voice, it echoes